Looking for the right vehicle? Check out the 2026 Charger Daytona. The Dodge Charger Daytona is an upcoming all-electric muscle car that blends classic performance with modern electric technology. Featuring aggressive styling, powerful electric drivetrains, and high-performance capabilities, it aims to deliver a thrilling driving experience while embracing a new era of sustainable power.
This vehicle has less than 100 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: blind spot monitor, all-wheel drive, heated mirrors, aluminum wheels, remote engine start, stability control, tire pressure monitor, daytime running lights, driver illuminated vanity mirror, front license plate bracket. A vehicle like this doesn't come along every day. Come in and get it before someone else does.